down in the boroughs. The bills keep climbing high. Con Ed's laughing while the working folks cry. Politicians in Albany, suits and ties so clean, pushing offshore dreams on a broke man's scene. They promise green tomorrow, but today's the pain. The lights flickering off, 'cause we can't pay the chain. Food on the table, or heat in the night. They don't feel the cold when the power's out of sight. Windmills in the sky, spinning lies so tall, expensive as hell, unreliable they fall. Costly upkeep, breaking down in the storm, while solar with mega packs could keep us warm. Short-sighted fools in their ivory towers, saddling the poor with their green hour after hour. Just what the hell are they thinking? Just what the hell are they thinking? Out on the ocean, those giants cost a fortune. Billions overrun, strike prices through the roof, man. Contracts locked in, ratepayers foot the bill, while the turbines rust and the maintenance kills. They say it's reliable, but the wind don't blow right. Blades freeze in winter, dark when we need light. Upkeep's a nightmare, boats and cranes in the deep. Every breakdown's another reason we can't sleep. Windmills in the sky, spinning lies so tall, expensive as hell, unreliable they fall. Costly upkeep, breaking down in the storm. Solar with mega packs, here keep us warm. Short-sighted fools in their ivory towers, saddling the poor with their green hour after hour. Just what the hell are they thinking? Just what the hell are they thinking? Solar on the rooftops, batteries stacked high, mega packs humming, storing some for the night. Cheaper to build, easier to fix and maintain. No boats in the waves, no endless chain. Capacity factor steady when paired just right. Dispatchable power, no blackout fright. But they chase the horizon, ignoring the facts, leaving us broke while the fat cats relax. Low-income families cutting corners to eat. Middle-class blinded, can't make ends meet. Politicians' virtue signaling on TV screens, while we're trading groceries for electric dreams. They talk climate justice, but the burden's on us, the ones we stable to carry the plus. Subsidies flow to the developers' pockets, while our wallets bleed and the grid still sockets. Windmills in the sky, spinning lies so tall, expensive as hell, unreliable they fall. is a smarter phone. Short-sighted fools wake up to the cause. We're paying the price while the future gets lost. Just what the hell are you thinking? Just what the hell